welcome back to my channel. Hi. We are filming this video like far in advance. Still on my Halloween nails here. But I figured I had to film this video for Instagram for an amazing company called stage.com. They just sell so many awesome things, and most of them are at discounted prices, so make sure to go and check them out. So I figured that I might as well do a YouTube video of it for you so that you can learn how to get the entire look, because I know some of you guys like YouTube. So with that being said, we're gonna jump into it, get into this pile of goodies that I used to create this very fall berry makeup. If you'd like to learn how to get it, please keep on watching. Alright, so we're starting off with some skincare. I'm using this tea tree mask from the Body Shop. I'm just going to leave this mask on my face for just a little bit of time, like 5 minutes, and then I'm just going to take it off with some warm water. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and apply the tea tree serum to my face. And then I'm using the Origins Ginseng Cream and Eye Cream on my face to help brighten and illuminate my skin. Then we're moving on to brows. I'm using the Brow Tech pencil from Smashbox. I'm just gonna fill in my brows as I normally do. And then we're gonna jump over to the eyeballs. I'm using the Nude Beach palette from the Balm. Yeah, this is making me a little sad that summer's kind of over. Nah, I'm just kidding. I love the cold. I'm just gonna blend those shadows all into the crease. I kind of did almost like a, what would you call this? Like a halo eye. I always forget. It's either halo eye, whatever you want to call it. And I'm blending in some browns too to kind of soften it up or to darken it up. And then I took like a gold shadow on the center of the lid, and I really didn't care for it. I didn't like the way that it was coming out, so I just took the dark brown and I put it over, and it kind of made it like a shimmery brown, which I liked. Then I'm taking the Smashbox primerizer and the Milk Blur Stick after I put on my Ardell lashes, and then I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation all over my entire face. And then I use this Smashbox concealer, which, girl, is a little too light, but we made it work. I'm using the NYX HD powder to set everything, and then we're gonna move on to bronzer, blush, and highlighter. For bronzer, I'm using the Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. And then for blush, I'm using the Balm Blush Trio. I actually like this. I use it pretty often. Before I apply my highlighter from Smashbox, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with the Dermablend setting spray and then apply my highlighter so it kind of jumps out a little bit more. For lips, I'm using my Urban Decay lip pencil, and then I'm applying this beautiful berry color from Estee Lauder. I'm just going to put this all over my lips, and I actually really liked how this came out. I'm adding some more highlight to all the parts of my face, and I spray my setting spray usually one more time, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. And check out all of my other videos right here on the side. I love you. Thanks so much again, and peace.